everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette, and then it has this one, and then the brand name is Credible. I think you guys can get everywhere. So it's Japanese brand, and then it has purple, mint green, and champagne gold, and great silver. And then today I'm going to use this purple. Okay, let's get started. First of all, I'm going to use this NARS Tinted Glow Booster. So this is, it's not foundation, it's like a primer, but it doesn't cover my pimple, and then also I have a lot of a spot here, but it doesn't cover, but I like more natural skin. So it's not primer, but it's kind of middle foundation and then also the primer. So I like this one because it makes glowing dewy skin. Okay, and then next I'm going to use Chanel concealer. So the number is 20 beige. So I think it's good for winter and dry season, because I usually use like a more cream one, thick one, but it's good for dry skin. And then Bobbi Brown Mahogany for my eyebrow. It's better to not too hard, just soft touch. This is a little bit darker than my hair, but it looks more mature because I have a little brighter hair than usual, but I recommend this a little bit darker than my hair. This Bobbi Brown Brocade, and I usually use this light color. Just feel this purple. I just apply the corner of the eyes, just here, because this color is a little bit grayish. So if I apply whole eyelid, so it looks more darker. For my under eyes, I'm gonna use this Addiction, the eyeshadow 092. This is good for under eyes. It looks more shiny. I'm gonna I apply just here lash line. It matches with this purple eyeshadow. A little bit grayish color. Okay, and then also I'm gonna use this purple eyeliner. So this is Addiction, the color Thick Eyeliner 09, and then it goes Shikibu. Purple. So this is a little bit more bluish purple. So which I like it because it matches with this eyeshadow. This one, the Credible one. Yeah, this one. Okay. And then also I'm gonna apply the corner of the eyes. Just the half of the eyes, and then I lift the eyelid, and then here, lift here. Okay. Mascara, this one, it's Maybelline. So this is not Maybelline Snap Mascara 02 brown. I've gotten lash lift, so that's why I didn't use like builder powder. But if your lashes is a little straight, so it's better to use. For highlighter, so I'm gonna use Natural Grasse Solid Eye Color 03. It's not for highlighter. It's for eyes, like a cream. So I like to use for highlighter. And also here, forehead. It's not forehead, it's just above the eyebrow. Here, like a T. And also chin. For brush, I'm gonna use this Shiro cheek color. So this is a little bit grayish beige, but it's good for bright hair color. And then it's cream, and then so first of all, I'm gonna I use one finger, and then later 2 fingers, and then 3 fingers. Lipstick, and then I really love this color. This is MAC Impulsive 312. So this is a little bit matte texture. Yeah, it looks good, just only this color, but I'm gonna use a little bit yellowish color. It's Selbog. This is Japanese brand. So Selbog Dignified Lips 2-3. Then I will use finger, and then just a little bit apply, just a little bit here and then here. Okay, now let's get started my hairstyling. My hair cream.